Hi, I'm Sadie. I am a project estimator at the Erickson Home Center. I've been in project coordinating and construction for the last 10, so lots of experience. We'd love to see you at any stage of the project, but if you want to come in right at the beginning of your project, even just in your dream stages, and we can kind of help you pick out what kind of product you're looking for, kind of try and figure out what budget area you want to be in, and let you know what's available, what's product that has to be ordered in, and that way you can also work towards getting a schedule put together. Never too late. If you need product within a couple of days, we can always do that as well. There are some things that we don't stock, so that has to be special ordered in, but that's just depending on your project. As long as you know your goals of your project and roughly what size of project you're wanting. So if you're doing a deck, we would like to know kind of what size you're looking at and how many stairs and how high off the ground you want it, and we can put a quote together pretty easy for you then. Definitely can help you stick within a budget. If you let us know that you're working on a budget, and then we can focus the products that we're going to show you are going to stick within that budget and help you create the project that you want. Yes, we can definitely help you go through your project, figure out what items that you don't understand, what use of the product is for, and just help you with the general order of how you should be building your project. Ones that are dream projects, when you finally get to do something that you're really excited about doing and getting to see all the bits and pieces come together. I'm doing my kitchen right now.
Ooh!
So there's lots of choices in that one.
I bet. What part were you the most excited to pick out?
Just the colors. I'm repainting it, redoing all my cabinets, and taking it bit by bit. It's been that way for 30 plus years, so it's nice to get a good facelift to it.